Welcome back to Drop the Box. Today we're going to be showing you how to set up your GAT DPF Cleaning Gun. So when you purchase the GAT DPF air gun, this is how it'll come, and it'll also come with this pipe attachment as well. The first thing we would recommend you do when you open the package, just make sure everything is complete, everything is free moving and tight. Just test the handle, test the adjustment nozzle, and then what you're going to want to do is just open the bottle, make sure there's no contaminants inside, and just make sure everything is tight and as it should be. So once you're happy with everything with your gun, you've checked everything, not that we get any problems, this is, you get what you paid for. This is made and manufactured in Germany, and it's only made out of quality materials. So the next thing you need to do is we need to fill up this container ready to test the spray pattern, which now leads me on to the GAT DPF cleaning fluid. We'd recommend mixing this fluid 50-50 with distilled water. You can use normal water, but distilled water is always just a little bit better because it takes all the impurities out. So for the test, I'd recommend just filling it up with 200 ml of each. So first we put the distilled water in. And then we'll put 200 ml of the GAT fluid in. Now I've been a little bit prepared, so I've already measured this out. Now you want to assemble the gun. And just make sure it's tight up against the seal. The next thing you need to do is you need to set your air supply for the gun. So this needs to be set between 2.5 and 4 bar. So we like to set it at about 3 bar. So once you've set that on your compressor, you can now attach the air line to the gun. And finally, just attach this application pipe. It's just a push fit connection. Just make sure it's clipped in place and give it a little pull just to confirm. And that's the gun set up, ready to test the spray pattern. So now that we've filled our gun and connected it to our air supply, we need to sort of set the spray pattern that comes out of the nozzle. So before you do that, make sure you put your safety glasses on and make sure you wear some protective gloves as well, because this can cause skin and eye irritation. So always better to be safe. So to set it up, what I've done is I've wound this adjustment nozzle all the way in. So if we test this now, as you can see, there's just air coming out of there. So what we need to do is we need to adjust it out anti-clockwise until the foam starts coming out. So, as you can see there, got a little bit of foam coming out, so we still need to adjust it. What we're looking for is a constant, steady flow of foam. So we've adjusted this out a bit again. So that's not too bad there. We keep adjusting it out. Right. So when it starts spitting like that, you know that you've adjusted it out too far. So what you need to do is turn it back in clockwise until it gets back to a nice steady flow. So settle a bit again. Bit more. Bit more. So this is what you're looking for, a nice steady spray of foam, and it's not spitting. So as you can see there, it's simple enough to adjust. You know, as long as you keep to the same air pressure and the same mixing ratio of your GAT fluid to your distilled water, you don't really need to touch this again then. So that's all you're aiming for in this adjustment, is just to get a constant steady flow of foam, like we've just witnessed here. So that's pretty much perfect. So that in a nutshell is how you set up your DPF air gun for the first time. It's worth noting that all of these products are made and manufactured in Germany, and that also goes for the GAT DPF cleaning fluid as well. It does say on the bottle to mix it with water in a 3-to-1 ratio, but we've found the best, most reliable results is sort of a 50-50 mix. The reason behind that is most DPFs, by the time they get to us, are really, really clogged. So we just sort of go with a 50-50 mix, first as last. You'll be able to get 2 full cleaning applications off 1 bottle with the 50-50 mix. So when you break it down per car, it is pretty good value for money. So even though all of these products are made and manufactured in Germany, as long as you order them off our website, we hold the stock for the UK, and these are available next day. So that's the beauty from buying from us, where we all hold our own stock. There are a few other companies that do sell the GAT DPF cleaning fluid and some other accessories and the gun and things like that, but they don't hold UK stock like we do. So you'll be looking at maybe 1 to 2 weeks for it to arrive with yourselves. So that is a massive benefit from buying from us, and we do offer bulk deals on some of the DPF cleaning fluid as well. If you did want to buy a few products, it's always worth giving us a bit of a message before you buy them, and we may be able to sort out some sort of discounted bundle for you. And as always, we will leave the link to our website in this video, and if you did have any other additional questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and give us an email. Thanks for watching.